welcomes to Mwalimu Geke YouTube channel. Today I want to take you on further logarithms, that is FORM3 topic. I'll start by just reminding you on what we learned in FORM2. In FORM2 we learned on how to change the index notation to logarithmic notation. That is, if you're given y equals to a power of x, to write into index form, you just have the logarithm to base of a. You bring the y on the power side, and then the answer equals to now x. You bring the x this other side. So it becomes log of a y, that is log of a base a, y, then x becomes here. So log of a y x. So that is if we say that a power of x equals to y, that means also that it's the same. Log to base a of y equals to x, log base a of y equals to x. So that is the simplest way of doing it. I want also to remind you on we did about product and the quotient laws of logarithms of indices. So we talk about that is product and the quotient laws of logarithms. So when we talk about product and quotient laws of logarithms, so we start with that is log. If we talk about log to base of a, we are given m times n. How do we do it? This one we separate them. If we separate, it will be log to base of a power of m times. This is the same as log to base of a n, log to base of a m. Now, because it was a multiplication, we do a plus log, both of them, that is the base of a, that is n. So that is the same as that. We call it product law. This is the product law. And the quotient law, if you are given like log to base a, that is m all over n, this is the same as we maintain log to base of a, that is m minus, it is minus log base of a n. So if it is a division, so this we call it quotient law. Now we can do an example. If you are given like log 6 9 plus log 6 8 minus log 6 2. So if we use the laws of logarithm, that is usually the quotient and the product law. Now this is the same as log. This will be equal to log. If you are asked to simplify, this is to simplify. So solution here, we will say this is a log to base of 6. Because this is an addition, it will be multiplied. So that is 9 times 8. 9 times 8. And then there is a minus, but it is log to base 6. So times 8, then that means there was a division 2. So that is divided by 2. So then this will give you equals to log, that is 672 all over 2. That is, this will be equal to log 636. And 36 we can express it as this will be equal to log of base of 6. 36 is the same as 6 squared. 6 squared, we remember another law that we can use here is that is log a maybe b x is the same as x log a b. So if we use this one, that same principle here, this will be equal to 2 log 6. And we have to remember this one. Remember, we have written some 2 laws, so we can include another one. This one, you can include it as the third one in your notes, in your summary notes. The fourth one, you can include this, that log a equals to 1. So that means log 6 will be equal to 1, and therefore this is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So because this one equals to, that is since log 6 equals to 1. Log 6 equals to 1. And therefore, that is the simplified form of that question. I need to do another question here. Another question is that another law that I can give you is that it's just what we have done. So I can do example 2. Another example. A question like you are given the logarithm of 5 plus 2 log of 2. That is log 2. This is the same as log. That is solution. We will say this is a log. Log 5. We bring this the other side, because if I said that x log, that is this one, I brought it here, so you can take it back, so it can be log a b square b power x. So this one means it's log the base of 10. It means when it's just log, it means the base is 10. So that becomes log. This becomes log 5 squared plus log 2 squared. So this becomes log of that is 25 plus log of 4. But we know the log of base to 10. This is base of 10. When it's just written just log is base 10. So if we use the laws of logarithm, this is addition, we multiply. So it will be log is like it's the base of 10, that is 25 times 4, which is equal to log base 10. The base is 10 of 100. And we know that when we talk about log of that is base 10 of 10, the answer is 1. If we talk about log of base 10 of 100, the answer is 2. Log base 10 of 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 10,000, the answer is 4. So that means this one, the answer will be equal to the log of 100, or log to base 10 of 100 equals to 2. So that will be the answer. So when it is involving the roots, I want to give you a law that logarithm of a root. Logarithm of a root. If you are dealing with the logarithm of a root, if you have like log base b x power 1 over n, this is the same as 1 over n, 1 over n log bx, log to base of bx. Or in simple terms, you can also say, or it will be the same as log b, the nth root, that is nth root of x, log b, nth root of x, that is the same thing. That is only we are given another root like that one gives that equals to, or if you are given that is log b, the nth root of x, this is equal to, it will be log of bx all over n. So that is what it means. So how can we apply that? If you are given an example that if you are given that you will simplify or evaluate log base 3, that is 50 root of 27. So this one is the same as, if we use the laws, is the same as log base 3, that is log of base 3, 27, this is 27, power of 1 over 5. So if we do that, power of 1 over 5, this one can be equal to, this will be equal to, if you bring it now using this other law here that we have learned. So you must be coordinating all the laws of logarithm. If we use this, we apply it here again, we shall be having 1 over 5, the log of 3, 27. 27, we can have it in place of 3 as 3 cubed. So it will be equal to 1 over 5 log 3, that is 3 cubed. That is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 3 cubed. So you can bring again 3 here, so that you remain with 1 over 5 times 3, the log of 3, 3. And we know that log 3, 3 will be equal to 1. And therefore this becomes 3 out of 5 times 1, which is equal to 3 out of 5. So if you are asked to simplify such a question or to evaluate, the answer becomes 3 over 5. So I'll do another tutorial that is on how to solve exponential logarithmic equations. In my next tutorial, that is the subtopic I'll cover, I may want as well to give you all the laws in summary. I write all the laws in summary for you. That is in my next tutorial. Thank you for listening.